Welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing strategy to make money with CPA marketing right here, and this platform right now called CPA Grip. And the platform we're going to be utilizing to drive traffic to our offers, if you do take a look at the statistics based on similar web statistics, you will find out that not only that the website do get a lot of traffic, it also gets most of its traffic from top tier countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia and Germany. You can see that a huge percentage of its traffic come from the United States, almost 49% come from the United States, 7.15 come from United Kingdom, 7.01 come from Canada, 4.36% come from Australia and 3.06% come from Germany. So you can see that these are actually lots of cool amount of traffic that is coming from top tier countries, but guys, about 50% come from the United States, which is why it will be much more reasonable to promote a United States offer, because in promoting that kind of offer you can actually go on to ensuring that your offers actually get to the targeted audience right there. But I'm going to walk you through a simple strategy that you can just simply go on to utilizing right now. So basically what you want to do right now is to come onto a platform like CPA Grip, create an account. But before you do create an account, we're going to be leveraging a content locking capability of this AI tool right now, meaning that you actually have to go on to getting a content that your leads might actually have to do virtually anything to gain access to right there. That content actually needs to be so important to your lead that they can do anything to gain access to that right now. So basically guys, you can come onto this platform called idplr.com to get cool and amazing PLRs that you can just simply go on to lock in your content locker. You could also utilize this platform called freeplrdownloads.com to get cool and amazing content that you can lock in your content locker right now. And you can see right there that you could get PLRs on any niche of your choice, ranging from addiction to beauty to blogging, business, camping, copywriting, cooking, dating, email marketing, entrepreneur, Facebook, finance, and a lot more niches right now. As you can see, the niches are quite numerous. You can get free PLRs on any of this niche. And guys, once you do that guys, and you download a very cool free PLR right here, to download one, maybe I do select this ebook right here. It's actually going to take me to a page where I can see more details about the ebook, and I can just simply go to the bottom section, click on download, and it needs to be downloaded on my device. When it has been downloaded, you can head on to platforms like mediafire.com. You want to sign up for an account if you don't actually have an account right now. Once you do sign up for an account, you can go on to logging into your account right there, and you can actually do see that this is my account. You could just come onto this platform and actually go on to uploading that particular ebook. As you can see right here, I have ebooks that I've uploaded. To upload an ebook, you just need to click on upload, click on the plus icon, select the ebook from your device right there via this section, and just simply go on to uploading that. Once you upload that, click on begin upload, and that will be uploaded on the platform, of which you can just simply go on to selecting that particular ebook. Once you do select the ebook, click on copy link. You can actually then go on to pasting using that particular link to lock in your URL file locker. And to do so right now, you want to come on to CPA Grip. After coming on to CPA Grip guys, you can go on to just simply clicking on register to create an account, and you can just simply go on to log in into your account. So guys, once you do log into your account, you want to come onto this page right here, which is the URL file locker section. As you can see right here, to get to this page, click on monetization tools, and you want to select the URL file locker that will be shown on the drop down list after clicking on monetization tools. To get to this page, click on create new URL file locker. You can actually agree to the terms of service, click on continue right now, and the new URL file locker section will be created, of which you can go on to selecting a template right now. Maybe you can select the capture template, head back to general, and you want to just simply paste in that particular link to that URL, to that particular ebook right here in this section. Supposing this is the link right now to the ebook right here, all you need to do right now is just simply name this particular URL file locker right now. So if I didn't give that a simple name right there, click on save. The URL file locker will actually be generated right now, on which I can just simply click on get link, copy the link of this, and go on to creating a simple landing page. You could create landing pages right now with either Google Sites, which is the site.google.com, breezy.cloud, that is breezy.io, or the systeme.io. You can actually create landing pages with any of those websites, as they are actually 100% free. To learn how to create landing pages with those websites, come onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and you want to just simply go on to type in a landing page. And if I do come right here and type in landing page and just simply go on to clicking on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos right here that shows you how to create simple landing pages right now. I created this video just for you right now. As you can see, this one shows you how to create a landing page with Google Sites. This shows you with the Webflow. This is of systeme.io, and this is for breezy.cloud. As you can see, these are all cool videos right now that shows you how to build simple landing pages. Now what you want to do right now, guys, is after creating the landing page right there, we want to go into promoting that utilizing this very cool platform called reddit.com. This is absolutely an amazing platform. Like, if we do analyze that with similar web statistics like I showed you earlier, I'm just going to scroll on to the top, and you can see that this platform gets about 2.1 billion visits in just 28 days right now. That is in the last month right there, it got 2.1 billion visits. That's actually a huge traffic that you can actually go on to utilizing right there. Head onto the platform right now, and you can see most people actually go on to writing about some cool stuff right there. Basically, they just simply go on to writing about what is legal. They just simply go on to writing some cool articles right now, and as you can see, they just write articles, make some cool posts right there on this platform, and get some engagement. And all you need to do right now, you can see this person says, what is the the chance is real. And you can see this is an article right now. It has 154 engagements right there, and this was posted 3 days ago. For you to actually go on to making sure that you get a lot of engagements, you just need to follow this necessary procedures by clicking on write post. If you do click on write post, guys, you can actually go on to writing a simple post right now utilizing AI tools like ChatGPT. And you can see right here, I actually did use ChatGPT to write an article right here. I asked ChatGPT to write an article on the best ways to make money online. ChatGPT did come up with a good job, which I'm just going to copy from the title which ChatGPT gave me onto the article that was actually generated right now. So you can see right here that ChatGPT did a very great job right now. So what I'm going to do right now is, after copying onto this article section, I could just simply head back to that particular platform, which is Reddit. I want to paste in that right here. As you can see, this is the title. I'm going to copy the title out. If I copy the title and cut that, I'm going to come onto this section, paste that in right there, and I'm just going to come on to clicking on this. Now you can see right here that the article has actually been inserted. Also, guys, for us to promote our CPA marketing offer, I'm just going to tell them to check out this or write a simple call to action for that particular ebook which I'm promoting right there. I can just simply put in something like notes. So you can see right here it says check out the link below to get a free ebook that could help you make money online easily. Right now you want to just simply highlight this section that says click here, and you can actually go on to add in a link right now. And the link we're going to be adding is that particular CPA URL file local link. Paste in the link right there. So I'm going to go back to that CPA marketing platform, copy the link, head back to that particular Reddit post, and actually go on to paste in that link right there by clicking on this chain icon for link and paste in that particular link in this section. Click on insert right there, and once that has been inserted right now, you can just simply go on to promoting this particular post right now, or posting on this platform. And you could just simply select a community. Maybe I can actually just select the make money community right now. So if I do search for make money, as you can see, these are actually communities on make money online. This one is on make money online for free, and this is actually a very cool community right now. You can actually go on to add in some cool stuff right here to make this particular post a very cool one. You could add in videos, add in links, add polls right there. Once you're actually done, just simply click on post, and this particular Reddit post will be posted on this particular platform, and you can just simply utilize that to go on to get into a lot of traffic. So you can just simply utilize AI tools like ChatGPT to write a lot of cool content right there, and you could just simply go on to promoting such content utilizing this platform called reddit.com. And also while promoting that particular content, you could promote your URL file local link also. I'm going to making some cool cash right there. Make sure you're actually giving them a free ebook always for any niche you're actually focusing on, because you can get ebooks on any of those niches right there which you do focus on, and go on to making some cool cash right now. So if you have any question, leave that in the comment section down below. I do hope the video was helpful. Do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.